Okay.
Okay, you gotta see how Cindy wrapped your present.
Go ahead.
This is a fossil, and this is a fossil. All of these are fossils. These are the matching of today's normal shells. So this is what that is. These are plants. She got these, I think, in Colorado. And then these are.
I remember those are the real fossils.
Isn't that crazy?
I have one of those.
That's a bug, and that's like a shell. Isn't that cool? That's a piece of driftwood. She thought you would really like it.
Can I see it? Yeah.
Okay, so should we open it? Open this one?
Should I open up this side? Which side?
Do you wanna cut this to keep this together, or what do you?
Maybe. Sure.
You know, you can just.
And I told her I did like these. Should I just open up this way?
Look at the video and say thank you to Auntie Cindy.
Thank you, Auntie Cindy.
Okay, ready?
Yes, Dad.
Oh, it's in a box.
It's in another box?
It's complicated.
Is this like a tent or something like that? It's supposed to look like a tent, isn't it?
Oh.
Scissors. More scissors.
Hold on. I
I
want
think
you
it's
to
in a
cut.
box in the box. Close your eyes, Dad.
You gotta open it. Okay. I see a Lego.
The alarm clock! That's awesome! A Star Wars alarm clock? Look on back.
I bet it makes Darth Vader voices.
Push a button. Is there a button to push?
Yeah, I don't know.
We'll figure it out. Okay, there's one more.
It's inside another bag? You could move your head,
He hasn't
Dad.
even eaten.
Here.
Something in this bag. I don't know why. Now it's in another bag.
Careful.
Okay, there's one of these. But it's for outside. I believe it's for outside.
Do you know where they go?
What?
Where we saw one at Lake Harriet. What is it for?
For trees.
Who do you pretend lives in them?
What is it?
Like a little tree elf or a tree gnome or a troll?
Yeah, is there anything else?
That's really cool.
That's not very exciting. I think that's cool, Rowan. What people do, they sometimes dig holes inside the tree, and then you can put
got
stuff
tape.
in there.
Okay, what do you say to Auntie Cindy?
Thank you, Auntie Cindy.
Yes, I
I
got
love
the
you.
tape off.